Hi, I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA, and today I want to show you how to make instruments and sensors using ExtMassCylinder in ProteusDS. If we bring up our project here, what we're going to do is work with a subsurface mooring template. So we'll just make this new project from template to start. This will give us a little mooring to work with, just to start off with. You can see there's the mooring there. Okay, so here's a typical spec sheet. It's just a Seabird Microcat CTD sensor. What we really want, it's a typical spec sheet, but what we really want is some idea of what the dimensions are and the weight. We can make a new ExtMassCylinder by clicking on the feature button in the ribbon. ExtMassCylinder, let's call it SBE37CTD, but you can call it whatever you want. Okay, the dimensions here are highlighted in millimeters, length and diameter, so we'll work with that. 3.0622 for diameter, 3.4369 for length. Okay, now we need to specify the weight properties. The default is that you can specify a density and then it uses a volume based on the length and diameter, but oftentimes it's much easier to use a specification by mass. So we'll change to that, and then if we right click and go resolve follower properties, it says that we now need to specify the mass and then the weight in water. And you can see those numbers are directly given to us. So the mass is 2.2 kilograms, and the weight in water, this is a kilogram force measure, so it can be negative. Negative means that it's buoyant, and you can see it says it's 1.2 kilograms in water, so that's heavy, and we'll put in 1.2 kilograms, and we're done. So let's go back to our mooring. We want to add another instrument. We can right click on that, use existing feature, and you can see now that it's been added to our library. So if let's set it to about 60 meters. It's pretty small. And you can see there it is right there on the mooring. If we adjust it slightly. And we moved it a little bit down the mooring. So there you go. We've added a sensor onto the system. Thanks for watching.